Hello everybody, I thought I'll show you today your task. So can you make 4 number sentences, 2 multiplication and 2 division with 3 numbers that have been given? So multiplication and division, as we know, have a special relationship because they are inverse of each other. That means that they are the opposite operation. So what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to model a couple of examples, and I'll also model an example for the 3 chili one that I've set at the bottom. So can you make 3 of your own using these numbers? So first of all, have a look at this one. It says 4, 12 and 3. So what I need to think of 2 multiplication sentences and 2 division that includes those 3 numbers. Now, if I look at those, 4 and 12. If I did 4 times 12, it's not going to equal 3. So I need to make sure I've got 4 times 3 equals 12. 4, 8, 12. 4 times 3. That is one of my multiplication sentences. And we know in maths that also we can switch the 2 times tables round to get the same answer. So I could also do 3 times 4 equals 12. So using inverse, we could also start with 12. That's my largest number. If you can hear my cat in the background, he's desperate for my attention. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. And we've done some division before, so if you wanted to use counters, you could check that. And 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So there's those 3 numbers there, using those in different orders to get your 2 multiplication and your 2 division sentences. So I'll show you another one. We have 40, 10 and 4. I know if I did 40 times 10, that's not going to equal 4, so it's not going to be that way round. But I can see 10 times 4, that makes 40, so I'm going to use that to start with. 10 times 4 equals 40. It's getting louder and louder, my cat. So swapping those around again, we've got 4 times 10 equals 40. And we can also write those as 2 division sentences. Division always begins with your biggest number. So 40 is my biggest number. Divided by 4 equals 10. And 40 divided by 10 equals 4. Okay, so that goes for the 2 chili, 1 chili, and a couple of the 3 chilies will follow that example. I'm just going to show you the challenging part of the 3 chili. So I've given you just one single number, which was 14 for my example here. You've got 35, 16 and 40 in your task today. So I need to think of some number sentences that will have 14 in. So I'm thinking of times tables that might make 14, or I could use 14 as part of that times table. I'm going to do when I know 2 times 7 equals 14. And again, swapping those numbers round, 7 times 2 equals 14. And then doing the division, so we begin with our biggest number, 14. I need to insert a symbol here. Divided by 7 equals 2. And 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Okay, so there you have it. That's just how you do the 3 chili challenge at the end. Hopefully you found this useful today. Good luck year 2. Goodbye.